Hello guys, today I want to review and demonstrate a package called Wire Element Spotlight based on Laravel Livewire and Alpine to add a new functionality to any website to launch some command or search with a keyboard combination and typing something. Similar on macOS, I can just click Command Space and there's a Spotlight search and I can type Camtasia, which is the software where I record this video. So similar thing is on Mac for years and years, and there's also additional tool called Alfred, which is mega popular for Mac users. So how to add that in any web project, which is not really a web experience historically, but you can add it easily to your website. And I asked my colleague Nadius to create a demo project for exactly that. So imagine your Laravel project, you can click Command Shift, then you would be asked, what do you want to do? And we added a new command called search for a user. So you type in search, then you hit enter, and then you search for a user, for example, test. And then you go to that user, click enter, and you land into the profile of that user. Cool, right? Now how does it work? To install Spotlight, all you need to do is compose a require, and you have to have Livewire installed before that, and Alpine as well. And in addition to Livewire scripts and Livewire styles, you need to add this in your main app blade or somewhere in your main blade. So in our demo project, here's a GitHub. I won't publish that GitHub in this case because you can quickly reproduce it yourselves if you want. So you add Livewire scripts and Livewire styles as default Livewire requires, and then add this line. And then you have that Spotlight installed. And then you launch a command PHP artisan make spotlight comment name, which will become a command that could be called with these keyboard shortcuts, whether on Mac or Windows. So in our case, we had a command search for user, which has this code. It looks pretty complex, but it's really similar to one of the examples in the official README file. So every Spotlight comment needs to have execute. So execute could be just some action. Or, for example, you can create the dependency of that command. So in our case, there's a dependency for search for users. If we go back to our GitHub code, so in the main Spotlight command, there's dependencies. On Spotlight command dependency make user. And this is search user, which implements the actual search with Spotlight search result. Again, it may sound pretty complex, but it will be really easy if you get familiar with everything in the README file with all the examples. So basically the execute command of the component itself, it's redirecting to the user, but before redirecting, it kind of asks for a parameter. So dependency is a parameter of that command with a placeholder question, returning the search result, and that search result is actually user. So you may get a few user objects as a result, user models, and then when you click on any of them, the user, the exact user, is called as a parameter here and redirects to the specific user page. That's kind of it, a quick demo. Again, get familiar with how that works in the official README. There are more features and configurations, so browse through that. And I guess there are quite a lot of applications how you can apply that in your project. If you have any ideas or if you have already implemented it somewhere, shoot your ideas in the comments below. And if you want more examples about Livewire without that Spotlight, I have my own Livewire kit with 33 components with various functionalities like live validation, charts, multi-step forms, pagination, parent-child dropdowns, and stuff like that. So you can get it all at livewirekit.com. And see you guys in other videos.